Hello, folks. Welcome to Ethical Empire. Hope you are doing well. So, today we are going to learn in this video about how to install Kali Linux in a virtual machine. No doubtly, there are too many videos in YouTube or on Google about the demonstration part, how Kali Linux will be installed in virtual machine. But recently, in the past, I'm getting doubts regarding the installation of Kali Linux in virtual machine on social media platforms. So I I saw the most of the doubts are same. So I decided to make one video on it. So let's get started.
Connection established.
First of all, you need a virtual machine in your laptop or PC to be installed. For me, it is mine, VMware Workstation Pro. Okay, so now you have to install the ISO file of Kali Linux. So you will uh, write here Kali Linux ISO file download. Then go to the first website, that is Get Kali. Here you have to select installer images. Okay, then you have to go for installer 64. Here you will click it. Then it will prompt you about the location where you want to download it. So I have already downloaded it. So I'm not going to download it again. I will directly meet you in the VMware. Okay, here I will choose new virtual machine. You can either do a left click or simply go to file and a new virtual machine. Okay, we will go with the typical one that is recommended. Then next, here we have to select our location where we have saved the or downloaded the file which we have downloaded from Chrome. In my case, it is in desktop, so I'm going to select it that. Okay, then we are going to click next. This is our Linux machine, obviously. Then we are going to select Linux and the version. The version we are going to select is the latest version of Debian. Then we hit on next. Uh, you can name your virtual machine according to you. Like Kali 2023. Okay. Then location where you want to store that virtual machine. In my case, I am going with the default. You can browse it here where you want to store or you can save it. Then hitting on next. Then give maximum size according to you. I am giving here 80. You can go maximum or minimum according to you. Okay, then I'm storing virtual disk as a single file. You can customize hardware here. Then you can give memory according to you. Like 2 GB is recommended, but if you need more memory, then you can go ahead with that. I am increasing little bit, like I am going with 3 GB or a 4 GB. No problem with that. Okay, this is 4 GB. Then processor, you can go with number of processors or number of core processors according to your need of work. So you can increase there by here likewise two number of core processor or number of processors you can increase. So take uh, it will take the CPU storage or the fluency of CPU to work with that. Okay, here a physical drive. So we already give the ISO image file, so we don't need the physical drive. Network adapter. So it is the main important part. Every time people get stuck on that part. Same the query I get from people that how we can configure network adapter on NAT. So here the default one is NAT. Obviously, NAT what it did, it just shares the host IP address. Like in my case, Windows is my hosting machine, and Kali Linux or Windows is my guest machine. So what the range of Windows IP address, same will be the IP address of my Kali Linux or Windows machine, which are the guest machine. So this is about the NAT and the host only. Like my Kali Linux will get a dedicated IP address. In this case, if I select host only, and then about custom, like it is a specific virtual network, so you can it will create another virtual network. If you select a custom, then if you connect any LAN, means local area network, then it is, and then it is LAN segment, and then a bridge. So it will directly connect it to the physical network. So then it is a bridge connection. Then a USB controller, these are set need to be set default. It will be detected automatically. Then moving on, moving ahead, we will select finish. Okay, we can see here our Kali 2003 is successfully made. Then we are going to power on this virtual machine to make it full. Okay, we have to simply press enter here. It will take a while. Okay, we can go with the language process like here English. Okay, no problem. A country, we will go with the India or a location. Then keyboard, we can go with American English, no problem. It is detecting hardware. Let it detect. Okay, so what we are going to do here, we are going to enter our host name for this system. So let it be Kali. You can go for your own. Let it make let ethical umpire, no problem. Then a domain name. You can skip this part. The new user, you can go again with the ethical umpire. Username for an account, ethical umpire, no problem. For the password, you can set a password. This password you are going to need when you log in. Okay, no problem. We can go with the default one. Okay, continue. All files in one partition. Continue. We can change configure there, but no need to configure anything. We can go just with the default one. Yes, we can write the changes to the disk. Now it is installing the base system, so it may take a while. Okay, so it took a while, so I had dropped that part. Now it is configuring IAPT. Yeah, it has done. Now it is selecting and install software. Okay. Again, we are going with default parts. So again, it will take a while. It will take a while. So don't be get hyper. Just be patient with that. You are going in a right way. So don't be thinking about that. Might be I have done something wrong. That's why it's taking too much time. No, that's not the case. Okay. So it took about 10 to 12 minutes. Now moving ahead. So here we are going to select yes and continue. Here we have to select Dev / SDA. Again continue. Now it is finishing the installation part. So here our installation part is completed. Now we will select continue here. Okay, it will automatically boot in 1 second. Yeah, it is done. Now it will take some seconds to start. Okay, so congratulations. You have successfully done your installation part of Kali Linux in virtual machine. Here I'm going to give my user, then a password, hit a login button. Okay, so here is your Kali machine. You can see here the terminal part. The username I have given here, the same username. Here it is. Okay, so this is all about for this video. You can also go to our website of Ethical Empire. Here you will get the blogs on the topics of cybersecurity, like OS top 10 and about bug hunting, and then Linux distributions, or scripts about privilege escalation, and more about the videos which you haven't find on YouTube. So you can go there and check it out. So that's all for this video. Until next time, stay curious, stay secure, and keep exploring the fascinating world of cybersecurity. See you soon. Bye.